What's up, you guys? So if any of you know me, you know that I have multiple hobbies, so many interests in just many things, but one of my main hobbies is photography. Although I'm not a photographer, one thing I wanted to do just to train and get better on my photography skills is to set up photo shoots. I use my nephew as my little test model. So all the time on my website, I get questions asked about my fall photo shoot that I did for him, and I wanted to show you guys exactly how I set it up, where I bought my materials, layout, everything that I have included in this video. And also, I want to let you guys know that everything I purchased for this photo shoot was under $5. And get this, it was all found at my local Dollar Tree store. Now, Dollar Tree is not sponsoring this video, but I just want to show you guys how a little can go a long way, along with creativity and a good layout setting going. So here in the video, I purchased some shredded paper. I also purchased these big felt maple leaves that are super nice and cute for you to hang up for the fall season. I also purchased some smaller maple leaves that are separated that you can just kind of like toss anywhere. The little stick scarecrow, as well as the pumpkin. It's just a styrofoam pumpkin that I have over there. I pretty much just laid it out over this rug that I already had. Everything is from Dollar Tree except for the rug. I previously had this. I got it from Marshall's or somewhere like that. Can't remember. But my nephew was around 5 months at this time, so I wanted to make sure he was laying on something soft and just not the straight rug. Another thing that I do have in this video is some lights going around the perimeter of the entire rug, just to give it like a softer tone and edge when I go back and edit this, to pick up on certain lighting that the natural light didn't hit. I did do the photo shoot in my bedroom near my open glass, sliding glass window, because that gave me the most natural light. You can stage it wherever you want. It's completely up to you, as well as some parts of this I did do outside on my balcony. So I'll show you guys the pictures of that as well. But yes, I always get questions about this layout in this photo shoot, and I just want to let you guys know you do not have to spend tons and tons and tons of dollars or go order all this product and stuff from wherever. You can just be creative and improvise and just do your best. For me, I don't have the newest camera at all. I actually have a Nikon D3100, and it is quite old. I got it from a pawn shop a while back, and usually what makes my pictures look good is my editing. I have editing techniques that I use, and lighting techniques and different things in post-production that gets my quality to look better and look a bit more richer, especially with the colors and everything like that. As you can see in this part, I'm just panning over the entire section that I've laid out. During the photo shoot, I did reposition some things just, to fit where he was sitting, or just to make sure he was comfortable. So you guys can see the separate leaves, you can see the shredded paper, and the shredded paper was a very nice touch because it had like a cardboard and a deep red and an orange type of pack that I use. So it was already giving me like Thanksgiving, fall season type of vibe going on there. But yes, let me know if you guys go to your local Dollar Tree and you find these items as well and recreate this shoot. Please send me photos. I would love to see that. And if you have any other questions or tips that I did not show in this video, please feel free to ask me. I can answer any questions that I am able to. If you need links to find any of the products that I've mentioned in this video, I will do my best to hunt them down on dollartree.com, but I know we're about to go into the Christmas season, so they might be off the website, but they pretty much sell these same items year round. That is my fall photo shoot, and you can do this for a kid of any age. It was easier for me to do my nephew because he was a baby, so you could just lay him right there and have the scene set up around him, versus if it was an adult standing or what have you. The exterior shots that I took on my patio, I also got the bucket from Dollar Tree as well, and there was already a lot of nice natural light, so it worked perfectly to get the lighting. I didn't have to bring a lighting kit out. I didn't have to bring out my bulbs, just to add like a nice softer haze around it. But overall, we did glue the leaves onto the bucket to make it look a little bit, more festive. But my nephew, he was a sport. He was a great sport, and he did an amazing job. Let me know what you guys think of this. If you have any questions, if you guys also recreated this, I would love to see it. And I will see you all in my next video. Later.